What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video, and this, y'all, I have not been like this for a minute, y'all. Haven't been like this for a minute, but I'm here at the shop. Just got off work at job number one. If y'all don't know about the jobs and the numbers, y'all can check me out over on Just Watch Me Work. I'll try to leave a link down below this video if y'all interested. But I got a few orders. And I still got more shirts to order. This is like two different orders. This is a second order of I just had a similar order the other day, as y'all see the box right there. And then I got this order to do. And y'all, this this has been kind of hard trying to get these designs done. I don't really like the design, but the customer like it, so we gonna go with it. And I kind of had to right here, as you see right here, I got some DTF transfers from my boo over at bestdtfusa.com, the best place to get transfers, best quickest printing for transfers. So yeah, but yeah, that's where I get all of my DTF transfers, because I don't have a DTF, because I don't currently have a DTF printer. I do have videos posted when I did have one, and I hope to get one in the future. But until then, I'm gonna hit my homie up over at Best DTF USA, because it's kind of like I got one, because he get them to me so quick. He could probably figure a way to get them to me in the same day, but I just don't be like rushing like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and y'all can kind of see what it is. And then when I come in here tomorrow, I'm going to be printing, because I got to do so much stuff to organize. This is kind of a last minute order. I have to get it printed. I actually had to take off from work so that I could print tomorrow. Then I got more shirts coming in, so I'll be working over the weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox so that y'all can see. Let me see. I'm going to just use my key. And this right here, this is some gold t-shirts right here. Let me see. I don't know if I got, oh no, I don't got anything else in here. It's all just gold t-shirts, like a box full of gold t-shirts right here. So that's what's in there. I did order something else, but it'll be in tomorrow. And y'all should get to see that tomorrow, in the video tomorrow. And y'all, I know this mic that I'm using is not, this camera that I'm using, when I'm away from the camera, the mic is not, picking up like talking about. But yeah, y'all, I know when I'm away from the camera, I gotta talk a little louder, because I'm not using a mic. I got a mic, I just don't really like that mic, but I'm about to get another mic and another camera that's gonna make things better. So yeah, all right, so in this box right here, and look, I like that they put this here so that you won't cut what's inside the box. I like that. Okay, so right here, these are some, let me open it up right here. These are some warm-up tops. I just printed this order the other day, and I also, I like to get that free shipping. So I added, let me see, I got these warm-up tops. I'm going to take them out and just put them over here, because I got to print all of them. I got right here some shorts that I ordered for my son. Actually, I ordered this green pair for me, and they look like they might be too big, y'all. The ones with the green on the side, I ordered them for me, but they might be too big. This company makes some big stuff. I might not need an extra large. I might can wear large. So I ordered him a couple of pairs of shorts, one with the black side and one with the blue side. And I ordered, what is this? Oh yeah, these are some jogger type pants. Okay, I like those. I like this material. I ordered a pair. Everything I order, I'll be ordering two, but I ordered a pair for me and my son. So yeah, that's what that is right here. And let me get this paper clip out of here. Yeah, that's what I got. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here, because I'm gonna be printing this stuff Probably tomorrow. I may print it tonight, but I already have a video where I was printing this order the first time, so I probably won't film that. But I will film at least some of this so that y'all can see when I do print these gold shirts right here. And look, that's what I was printing the other night. That's a box full of trash. It was all over there. I just picked it all up off the floor. But yeah, but I was just trying to do a little short video to let y'all know that I do have videos coming. And y'all, I cannot wait till school is out, y'all, because I'm about to be posting videos pretty much every day as soon as school is out. But right now I just have so much going on, so I'm doing everything that I can. And then now I've got, kind of got, well, not really swamped. And I love this. I'll stay here all night to print t-shirts. I didn't even go to sleep on Sunday night because I was designing and, trying to get everything ready so that I could print on Monday for their first order, because it was kind of a last minute order. But like when it comes to working for myself, I don't mind working, but it's just I have so much going on because I have a full-time job that I have to be there 8 hours, and it's mostly hands-on. And it's not a bad job. It's just I want to be here. I want to be here working for myself. I want to be here where my mind can be on what I want my mind to be on. So, yeah, but I appreciate y'all watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you in the next episode. But until then, be blessed.